Healthcare is breaking, not because the people inside it have failed, but because the systems around them were never built for this moment. Rapid technological shifts, global crises, a workforce pushed to its limit. The world doesn't need more managers. It needs leaders who can navigate complexity with clarity, with courage, and with conscience. Transformative Healthcare Leadership, Navigating Complexity in the 21st Century by Dr. Vaikunthan Rajaratnam and Dr. Tani Xion is that guide. Drive value-based care, master digital health and AI. Build teams that don't just survive, they endure. Navigate the ethical dilemmas no textbook prepared you for. Address the disparities that have gone unspoken for too long. And put the human being back at the center of everything. This is Leadership Reimagined. Order your copy today. And know this, every purchase empowers a young life through the My Skills Foundation. Lead forward, lift others,